Why xBloom? Here is the answer. You can use xBloom to brew your coffee in multiple ways and adjust many variables. It features three key components: a grinder, a brewer, and scales. It comes with pods where xBloom collaborate with multiple roasters to create the best possibility, making it feel like a cafe is brewing coffee just for you. I tried it tastes amazing. Additionally, I learned a lot from xBloom pod correction because I could see the different brewing methods from various roasters. Another important feature is the Omni Brewer, which allows you to brew your coffee outside of xBloom subscription or use your own favorite local roaster. You can use the app to create your own recipe or use recommended recipe from other roasters. When you start, you will be able to see the data on how your brewing looks like over time. xBloom offers three types of pours: circle, spiral, and center. The water tank is easy to attach and replace. Honestly, I set my favorite recipe on xBloom and let it do the work for me. Be sure to check out xBloom if you want to automate your morning routine.